Hey, so I'm back here with another video today. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing y'all how to create a YouTube banner. Okay, so let's just jump straight into it. So what you want to do is click on create a design. You want to go to YouTube banner. So make sure you click that because that is the size you will need. It's loading. But this is the one that you will need. And I already have, well, actually, YouTube already have some, excuse me, I already have some like right here that you could already use. So let me see it, but I don't want to use any of these. But what I'm going to do is go to my uploads because it's something that I already created that I probably can go ahead and use. So to see this, I want to go ahead and change the background color so I can get everything lined up. So I'm gonna change it to black, and I'm going to take it, put it end to end, well, side to side like that. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay, so now it's in the middle, and now I can see what I want to do here. So what I'm going to do, this probably be a lot of stuff, but it's just the way that I like, how I like to do things, you know. So I'm gonna click back on that square, and I'm gonna just stretch this out. As you can see, this is a great one because actually I want, let me change this back to white because the background is going to be white, and I'm gonna change this one here to black. So I'm gonna move this out of the way and delete the first one that I already had, and just put this back into place. You don't have to do it like this, but this just this is how I got my YouTube banner. So yeah, I have that. So what this is going to be, I'm going to like basically create a YouTube banner with Megan Thee Stallion. So yeah, I'm gonna use some of her pictures to do this. So the first thing I want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and just add my text. So the text, so I'm adding my text. I'm gonna just put the stallion as how she spells it. Hopefully, okay. So we have the stallion, and I actually like when I first designed it. I was like, you know what, this right here is going to be fire. You're for real. Okay, so we have that. Trying to see. I think I could bring it down like a tad bit. Okay, so that right there is good enough. So the next thing I want to do is like, and it's very easy and simple of how I'm going to do this. So I'm gonna go back to my elements. I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna change this. Well, actually, it's the Instagram icon. So yeah, I'm gonna place this right here. Um, so, and that's my heat running in the background again, cause it's cold out there. So we have, I think I could make this a little bigger because I don't want like too much room left, you know. Trying to click on that icon. There we go. So we have the icon. Now I want to go back over here to my text, and I think I'm gonna click on that one, but it's not gonna be the same font. Um, the font that I want to use is going to be called, is this one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna just put her Instagram name. So I'm gonna put her Instagram name, put it in all caps. Hold on, y'all. Let me make sure that I have her thing, her name, or her at name spelled correctly. So it's Megan Thee Stallion. Yes, I have it spelled correctly. Just had to make sure of that. I know she don't have like a YouTube. Well, I don't think she have like a YouTube channel. Probably like for her music, but like a personal channel, I don't think she has one. So with this, and then like right here beside it, because you know that she's like basically verified on YouTube. I mean, not YouTube. Well, yeah, she's verified on, I think YouTube. Well, on Instagram is what I was trying to say. So what I'm gonna do is go back to my elements, and I'm gonna get that verified check right there. I'm not going to keep it blue. So when somebody looks at her banner, she'll know that her Instagram is the verified one. So yeah. So I want to change this to white and change the other one to black. And there you have it. So they will know that she is the verified one. She don't have no other pages. And it's like the one what I'm creating is very simple. It's not like too busy or anything. So yeah. Um so what I want to, just go keep it like that. So now I want to go and like get her actually I took a screenshot of her feed. So I'm gonna take this. I'm not gonna keep like the color on it at all. So let me zoom in so y'all can see. So I took a screenshot of her news feed, and I'm just basically I'm trying to see like the one that I would like to use. Um, let me zoom in some more so I can get it how it needs to be. I think that right there would be good. And we crop this also. I think I can make it like bigger like that. Okay, so we have that. And I think I may keep the color on it, but I'm gonna make it like transparent. Maybe, I think that right there, maybe like a 22. Okay, so I think that right there will be good. Why did I move it? Anyway, so I'm gonna make another copy and I'm gonna bring this one to this side also. And under that, I'm basically just going to put like what her channel will be about. So I'm gonna just put beauty. Um, so put beauty, uh, lifestyle, um, lifestyle, and maybe fashion. Or I could have put no, because this one is more like it would be something like for a personal channel, so it would be separate from her music page or her music channel. So I think we can keep it like that. So yeah, I want to bring this down. I don't want the video being too long, but if it is, it's fine. And I want to bring this down. One. Okay. A tad bit bigger. Okay, so that's good enough. Okay, so we have that. Let me zoom out so y'all can get a better look and see how it will look zoomed out. Okay, so we have that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get her pictures. I don't think I want to use this one, so I'm gonna just like delete it. But I do want to use this one, and I'm going to remove the background. I thought that would at least let me like add more to the page, but it didn't, which is fine. It's absolutely fine. So let me click back out of here. I'm going to size her picture down like this and bring that over. I think that it will be good, but I want to like edit her picture. I'm gonna take that contrast up some. Let me slide to the side so y'all can see. As you can see, it darkened her shirt, so when I slide it some more to the right, it darkens her shirt up so it won't look so bluish or whatever. So I want to use that picture. Actually, maybe because this is not how like I had that first, like when I first did it. I was like, yeah, something looking a little off, but that's still fine. So I have that picture. The other picture I want to use. So let me go. So these are the other two pictures that I will be using. So I think I'm gonna move this one out of the way because it will be going somewhere else. Okay, so this is the other picture that I would be placing right here. So let me go ahead and put edit image. I want to remove the background. Dun, 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 dun. So is these two the same picture? No, it's not. Okay, so I have this one. I'm gonna just place this one like right here. Of course, I'm going to flip it. Why did it do that? I did not mean to do that. So I'm gonna flip it. I think I want her. I don't want like. I think I can zoom out of it. But I'm going to go back to add image and do what I did the first time, like that. And as you can see, this is how it's looking so far. Let me zoom out so y'all can see. So that's how it's looking so far. And like right here, I'm gonna just go back to add image, remove the background again. Now I want to same process, taking the contrast up. So okay, look at her shirt could look a little blacker, or her jumpsuit or whatever she got on. So I want to like take this like to the top, and I'm gonna position it to the back like this. I'm gonna make another copy, bring it to the side. I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to position it to the back like that. And voila, and now you have your YouTube banner. And I absolutely love how it came out. So I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope y'all learned something from it. I'm trying to like do different things on my channel besides doing flyers all the time. So yeah, if y'all have any more suggestions, just comment down below and let me know. But that's it for this video. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. If you're new here, please share with your family, your friend, all over social media. And thank y'all again for watching. And God bless. Merry Christmas.